for the money. Gee, look at that. That is so nuts. You know,
Here, isn't it?
it is really hot in here. Now, new to demonstrate the water off the duct's back, find the greasy soils. Oh, there's greasy. Now they're going to say, you spent more time.
I don't think that one was a shadow.
Don't think it was a shadow. Dude, I'm missing all the good action here, man. We heard the thump. Holy smokes here. Hey everybody, welcome to Saigers Steam Clean and welcome to the channel. We got another good eating greasy one. Y'all love that, some of you don't. It is what it is, okay? We're going in, 2 vans here tonight. Gonna get it done and go home early. This is our second restaurant today, plus a bunch of other cleaning. Feels spectacular. No, I don't. I feel old. So I'm using a new lens. This will be interesting to see what it picks up in the low light. And Brady, remember from up above here? That thing up there? No, that thing up there dries out our pre-spray. So yeah, so just in this area in here and we'll take her from there, okay? So there's the grease path. Hey, water off duct's back.
I don't know if it's going up tonight.
Well, a little bit. Oh, it is. Over here it is. Oh, yeah.
Over there.
Oh, yeah. Over here. Yeah. That's where it's at. Well, look at you dive right in.
Yeah.
Holy
shit. At 10:30 now.
Oh, lucky you. Hang on.
I get up at 6.
Yeah. Oh, well, I'm there. I'm usually 4 or 5.
That's the only time I have to get done around my house.
You're a Thomas Bow. I got to bleep that out. He doesn't usually potty mouth that stuff. Beep, beep. Tommy. Well, new lens. What do you think? Is it big enough?
No.
No. I lifted the truck, and then I had to get a bigger lens also. Dude, that's just ripping on there. Holy smokes. Good grief. I didn't expect that quick. You just sprayed it down and boom, away you go.
Yep.
Code Red and G-Force. Man, holy chocolate milk. Good grief.
There's a little in there.
There's a little.
The kitchen, it's right there.
Yeah, it does come right out of the kitchen. Second restaurant today.
Second restaurant today.
The other one was, we had to wand it all though, or, well, you guys did. I know I lost track of how many today we did.
6, 2 of them restaurants.
Did you include mine, that last minute one?
7.
7, I knew it. I was being shortchanged there really bad. Look at that, dude, I am shocked.
You're flabbergasted.
I am pretty flabbergasted.
You're flabber? It's gasted.
I'm flabby. You know, I am your father-in-law. Who are you calling fat here? Eat a sandwich, skinny.
Oh yeah.
I'll be curious if that lens even picked that up. It's going to be so weebly wobbly. People are going to buy now. Click, they went away. Sorry, stick around if you would.
Wibbly wobbly.
The weebly wobbly. I was trying my ninja walking.
Oh.
Like the days before I had a fake knee or two. You know,
Hot in here, isn't it?
it is really hot
Feel
in here.
hot in here?
Yes, incredibly hot in here.
I think you get the AC
Dude,
going.
You're just ripping on that. Yeah, we better make sure they have AC going
Or
tonight.
it's going to be a humid mess in here.
Oh, it will be. I'm really surprised how fast this is cleaning up here. That's awesome, though.
Oh, come on.
Good
Give yourself some
grief.
credit.
That is really phenomenal. The colors are incredible right now. Oops, I heard a thump and a flop next door. Well, with that in mind,
You better check it out.
yep. Dude, I'm missing all the good action here, man. We heard the thump. Holy smokes here. All right, give her the thump. Oh, he sent that in the basement. Oh. You're waiting for him to run up top and go, what the heck's going on?
Yeah.
It's cleaning up really super simple right now. That's awesome.
Okay, what's your plan?
I don't have one now.
Oh.
Go ahead, Keep cleaning. Ha!
Every single time.
Every single time.
I can't believe how bright it gets.
I know, it's just really incredible. Trying to be better with my ninja walking here. This camera lens has a little more stable in it, I think, after today's. But again, that was much lighter out.
Yeah.
So this is darker. You see? Dark, light, light, dark. So we've had a few people comment about, does every place you guys clean in northern Minnesota have tongue and groove pine? Yeah.
Well, we live in northern Minnesota.
Yeah,
so
pretty much it does. So
we like wood up here.
we like wood. In the pine trees.
Yeah.
These pine trees, though, they fell down. So that's why we have so much pine to work with. Never mind that there was a chainsaw or a big saw there that they fell down.
Just happened to be in the vicinity.
We just happened to be there when they fell down. We weren't, but whoever took the logs and processed them. Oh, oh, oh. Just love that. Man, that is nuts. And you see him go zoom, zoom, zoom. What he's doing is he's trying to get that edge a little bit better and safe without taking a big chunk out of my glide, like say on a nail up there or something. Yep, that's what she is.
Especially on the All-American.
All the American. Yeah. That had some pressure. That's ripping. I think you have to go that way a tiny bit, Brady. I didn't square up very well. Can you clean that fast? Efficiently? Effectively?
The Zipper SS can.
What else starts with an E? Elephant. Keebler elves. Oh, we're back to the trees again. Keebler elves. They were not in the trees when these fell down. Man, this is... But the bad dad jokes are just going to roll tonight. We're so darn tired. All right, go get her.
All that chocolate milk for everybody.
Oh my gosh, that's amazing chocolate milk, dude. I just love how fast that cleans. Compared to us wanding today, isn't this something?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. This is so smooth, it's just nuts. Okay, what are those, Brady?
Dry passes.
That's right. People, right? People. People.
Make sure you do them.
Now let me go check on him quick. Since the people haven't seen us move any furniture in it at all today, probably, or tables and chairs, there's a thread going on one of the pages about moving, how much you charge extra for moving chairs and tables at a restaurant.
It's built into the price.
Yep.
They don't know that we charge for it.
That's kind of it. And Tommy, Big Truck Tommy, it was funny. I almost went after him. I was going to pick on him, but then people wouldn't know I was his friend about that sissy Sally carpet cleaner. He has somebody else moving him. But I feel very lucky because I'm usually cleaning when he's having that done, cleaning with him. Yeah, I was going to call him a prima donna carpet cleaner.
Yeah.
Not like us rough and tough northern Minnesotans.
Didn't Madonna have blonde hair though?
Oh, Madonna.
What color is Thomas's hair? Oh, that's right.
He got none. He's a
Cue ball.
Thomas the Red.
Good at fishing though.
Oh, strong like bull almost, but not quite. He folded there for a second. Gently set it down. Ooh. Feel better now?
Oh.
He's stuck.
I'm stuck.
All right, let me get back to carpet cleaning. Get lucky you hook the chair and it comes with you.
That's okay sometimes.
It sure is. There, I'm glad I contributed to that moving of furniture, and now I must go, okay?
I'll get it.
Son-in-law.
The harassing son-in-law.
The harassing son-in-law, yes.
That's why he only helped me with a couple things.
So Brady, is that a shadow from the table?
Right there?
Yeah.
No.
It's not? Shh. Don't tell him. Tell him it's a shadow from the table, Brady.
That's a table shadow.
It's a table shadow. Is it going to remain there? Oh! I bet it's a shadow.
I don't know. That one might not be a shadow this time.
Try it. Let's find out.
Let's see what happens.
See what happens, people. People.
I don't think that one was a shadow.
Don't think it was a shadow. There's some shadow in there. We're creating new ones. You can really see the shadow to the table now, though. It's obvious. I just like how fast that rips. There's nothing like it. Zipper wand. Like I say, after wanding at that place today, oh my gosh, isn't this just awesome?
Way easier.
Way easier when you get it going. For the money. You look at that. That is so nuts. Isn't that crazy, dude?
Oh yeah. That's what I'm saying. I can't believe this cleans up as good as it does.
I know.
Picked a good carpet for in here.
So fast too, just burns through it. So we haven't mentioned it, but this is Code Red and G-Force Booster. That's our mix for the greasy, grimy restaurant stuff. Oh, he bobbled.
Got me.
So right now we're doing a shorter pass just so you can all see it, doable. It's easier to start out this way. Then later you can go the long Aaron Jewett passes.
Really cover some real estate.
Yep. Isn't that nice, dude? Give him some dry passes. Let's hear it.
Do your dry passes.
Hands for Brady. Yay.
Look at those little baby wand passes.
Yay. Yeah, baby wand
Speak of
passes.
the devil.
As we're giving Brady congratulations and he walks in and rips.
Classic.
You're getting all kinds of shadows in here. Your body is creating shadows. Nothing you can do about it, except we can maybe change position. And maybe not.
It's not like great lighting in this corner here.
Yeah, it's pretty bad lighting. Looks a little better though. Now you can see the actual color of the carpet. It's really quite nice. If you like a tan and a brown and a pine cone. Cool. Easy. Easily done.
And only half the job tonight.
Oh. Now, new to demonstrate the water off a duck's back, find the greasy soils. Oh, there's greasy. Now they're going to say, you spent more time. You spent more time on there. So where it maybe starts to glisten up more, that's the grease. Not as bad this time. Go back towards the kitchen a second.
It's going to be worse back there.
It sure will be. Glistening. Glistening.
You can see the trail.
You can sure see it now.
And then now you can't.
Now
Fixed.
It's fixed. That's all you need to do. Move the table there. You can't see it anymore. Aaron, I see it in the camera. You're gonna have to fix that. Oh, look at that glisten. See that? Sparkly even.
Glitter.
Water off a duck's back. What are they saying? Jinx, moose, monsoon, mootsin, whatever?
Yeah.
Yeah, I never heard of it. More glistening. Got it for you. Good gravy. Literally.
Kind of looks like a good brown gravy.
It does look like a brown gravy. Oh, send her in the basement.
Thud. I go right to here.
Somebody's here to see me. Hi, sweet. Oh my goodness. Yes. Good morning, sweetheart. Luna went back to bed, didn't she? Yes. All right, let's get you to bed, okay? Hey, come on. You better catch up. Well, everybody, again, thanks for being here and checking out the channel. We're going to do a part 2 coming up because I've been on the road a bunch. Doing
Almost
some other
there.
things.
You can do it.
I've been on the road a bunch, doing a bunch of other things, and so I've been trying to edit. So we're going to make this a 2-part because there's a lot of content here to see. So come on back, check out part 2. In the meantime, check out the channel. Give us a comment, thumbs up, and a like if you would. Maybe even consider subscribing. We'd love to see you back again. Lots of good greasy, good eating. Check out some of those other videos we do too. Woo! Got to catch up. Just turned birthday today. So that's another reason I won't have more time to do more editing. We're going to have a party. Thanks, everyone. See you later.